Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to many of our hearts: budgeting for beginners. Now, I know what you're thinking. Budgeting sounds boring and restrictive, but trust me, it's anything but that. In this video, we're going to show you how to triumph over the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and take control of your finances. We'll cover everything from creating a budget that works for you to saving money and even tackling debt. Now, you might be wondering why this topic is important or interesting. Well, let me tell you, having a solid budget is the foundation for financial success. It's like having a roadmap that guides you towards your goals and helps you make smarter decisions with your money. Plus, who doesn't want to have a little extra cash in their pocket at the end of the month? By the end of this video, you can expect to learn practical tips and strategies that will empower you to break free from living paycheck to paycheck. We'll share some tried and true methods that have helped countless people transform their financial lives. So whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to make some positive changes, this video is for you. All right, let's get started on this budgeting adventure together. Trust me, it's going to be worth it. In the early days, budgeting wasn't really a thing. People lived day to day, relying on their instincts and immediate needs. But as society evolved and economies grew more complex, the need for budgeting became apparent. Fast forward to today, and budgeting has become an essential skill for financial success. However, many people still struggle with it, especially beginners who are trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. One of the biggest challenges is simply knowing where to start. It can be overwhelming to look at your expenses and income and try to make sense of it all. But fear not, because we're here to guide you through the process. Another obstacle is the temptation to overspend. We live in a consumer-driven society, bombarded with advertisements and societal pressures to have the latest and greatest. It's easy to fall into the trap of spending beyond our means, which only perpetuates the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But here's the good news. With the right strategies and mindset, you can triumph over paycheck-to-paycheck living. It's all about taking control of your finances and making intentional choices. Throughout this video, we'll share practical tips and techniques to help you create a budget that works for you. We'll explore ways to cut expenses, increase your income, and prioritize your financial goals. By the end, you'll have the tools and knowledge to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and achieve financial freedom. So, are you ready to take charge of your finances and start budgeting like a pro? Let's dive in. Key points. 1. Understand your income and expenses. Start by tracking your income and expenses to get a clear picture of where your money is going. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save. 2. Create a realistic budget. Set financial goals and create a budget that aligns with those goals. Allocate your income to different categories, such as housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. Be realistic and flexible with your budget to ensure it's sustainable. 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify expenses that are not essential and find ways to reduce or eliminate them. This could include eating out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday items. 4. Build an emergency fund. Set aside a portion of your income each month to build an emergency fund. This will provide a safety net for unexpected expenses and help you avoid going into debt. 5. Increase your income. Look for opportunities to increase your income, such as taking on a side gig or asking for a raise at work. The extra income can be used to pay off debt, save, or invest. 6. Prioritize debt repayment. If you have debt, prioritize paying it off as soon as possible. Start with high-interest debt and use strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to accelerate your progress. 7. Seek professional help if needed. If you're struggling to manage your finances, don't hesitate to seek help from a financial advisor or credit counselor. They can provide guidance and support to help you overcome financial challenges. Remember, budgeting is a journey, and it may take time to see significant results. Stay committed, be patient with yourself, and celebrate small victories along the way. With determination and discipline, you can triumph over paycheck-to-paycheck living and achieve financial stability. Budgeting for beginners and triumphing over the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is a multifaceted topic that requires a deeper exploration. Let's dive in and explore different aspects and perspectives to gain a comprehensive understanding. One perspective is that budgeting is all about restriction and sacrifice. Some argue that it limits your freedom and enjoyment of life. However, others believe that budgeting actually provides a sense of control and empowerment. By knowing where your money is going, you can make intentional choices that align with your values and long-term goals. Another aspect to consider is the role of mindset in budgeting. Some people view budgeting as a chore, while others see it as an opportunity for growth and financial well-being. Adopting a growth mindset can help you overcome challenges and setbacks, and view budgeting as a tool for personal development. It's also important to acknowledge the systemic factors that contribute to the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Rising living costs, stagnant wages, and limited access to affordable housing and healthcare can make it difficult for individuals to break free from this cycle. By understanding these larger societal issues, we can advocate for change and support policies that promote financial stability for all. Budgeting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's important to find a method that works for you. Whether it's the envelope system, the 50-30-20 rule, or using budgeting apps, find a strategy that aligns with your lifestyle and financial goals. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on budgeting? Have you tried any budgeting methods that have worked well for you? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Let's continue the discussion and learn from each other. In conclusion, budgeting is a powerful tool that can help you triumph over the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and achieve financial stability. By understanding your income and expenses, creating a realistic budget, prioritizing debt repayment, and seeking professional help when needed, you can take control of your finances and work towards your financial goals. The key takeaways from this video are: 1. Budgeting is not about restriction, but about empowerment and making intentional choices with your money. 2. Mindset plays a crucial role in budgeting. Adopting a growth mindset can help you overcome challenges and setbacks along the way. 3. It's important to consider the larger societal factors that contribute to the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and advocate for change. 4. Budgeting is a personal journey, and it may take time to find a method that works best for you. Be patient and flexible with yourself. Remember, the information presented in this video is valuable and can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. I encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from it. Also, explore our other videos and resources on budgeting and personal finance to further enhance your financial knowledge. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you on your journey towards financial success.